Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Victoria, and welcome to Pembroke Beauty. So today I am doing a blue look. So I asked on my Instagram what you guys would want to see next, and a lot of you guys said that you wanted to see blue, which I thought was kind of fun. I don't do a whole lot of blue, but every once in a while I do something, and so it's been a while, and I was like, okay, I'll do something blue. And you guys also said that you wanted to have something smoky. So I decided, instead of going like normal blue smoky eye, which some people shy away from because they don't really like it, which I get, it's a bit overwhelming. I decided that I would do a smoky blue liner today, which is very fun. And it's kind of like an easier, less offensive way of doing blue. So I figured we'd just talk and I would do my makeup, and yeah, so if you want to see how to get blue smoky liner, then just keep watching. So I have already primed my lids with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer. You guys know that I like this a lot. And so I just put a little bit of that down. I'm going to do my eyes first today because we are doing smoky liner. That way I can clean it up with a makeup wipe, which is very different from how I usually do it, but we're going to do it that way. And then I'm using the So Jaded palette. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this, but it is so good. And I haven't gotten a chance to play with this teal shade right here called, well, there's turquoise and then there's sapphire. And so I kind of want to play with both of them. And so this is the palette. If you guys haven't seen it, it's at Colourpop. I'm sure it's on sale right now because it's Black Friday. By the way, happy Thanksgiving. It is December 1st, which is our anniversary, fun fact. And so yeah, this is the two colors that I'm going to use. So I put down that concealer, and then I put my Precious all over my lid. It's just a really, really cool cream shade. And just put that all down to kind of flatten out my eyes, and we will get started. So, I'm just going to take this big fluffy brush. It's just a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to go into the shade right here called Rose Quartz. And this is just kind of like a mid-toned brown. I'm not going to do a whole lot in the crease because I'm going to do a lot on the, you know, on the eyeliner. Good Lord. So I'm just going to really just put this right into my crease, kind of give myself a little bit of depth. And that's probably all that's going to go onto the lid. And this shade is beautiful. And these pigments, like the shadows themselves, are just amazing. So it's very easy to work with if you are new or experienced or whatever. It's just a really good formula. So, and Colourpop is very cheap. So anyway, so I'm just going to put that on my lid in my crease. I'm not really being too particular about where I put it. I just want it to be nice and blended. So nice and high up, a little bit of definition. See, just a little bit of, I'm not sure how I want to do this. So I think I'm going to go into this NYX Professional Makeup. This is the Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner in the shade Azure. I really like these. I have had experience with these in the past, and these are really good. These are like, if you're looking for a good, inexpensive, drugstore, cruelty-free, because everything on this channel is cruelty-free, eyeliner, then these are the kind to get. I really, really like these. Colourpop also has good ones, but I like these a lot too. So it's your choice. So I'm just going to line my eyes with this and wing it out. And this will be like the base for our eyeliner. Goodness, you would have thought that I'd know what I'm talking about by now. So, fun fact, I used to do my makeup like this all the time in high school. I did not have liquid liner then. That wasn't really a thing. And so I would put on black eyeliner, like a pen like this, or a pencil I mean. And it was like a gel eyeliner, just like this. And I would put it on, and I would then shove a sparkly black shadow on top of it, and it would be like sparkly silvery black eyeliner. And everybody was always like, what eyeliner do you use? Why is it so sparkly? And I was like, it's just shadow on top. So this look is going to be actually pretty easy. The only part that you like have to master, I guess, is the actual like eyeliner bit, but we're going to smoke it out so much and then we're going to clean it that it's not really going to be a big deal. So I'm going to find a brush. So fun fact, why do I keep saying that? So I have a lot of makeup brushes and all of them are dirty. So I'm going to try and find some that aren't dirty. So bear with me for a moment. I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush, and it's just like really tiny, teeny little flat brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Sapphire. Yeah, I think we're just going to go in. And I know that this shade is very pigmented. It is a matte shade, and it's beautiful. So I'm just going to kind of just smudge this along the liner that we just put down. And like I said, this liner is very good, so it is not trying to budge, which is nice because it is just grippy enough to grip onto the shadow, but not so grippy that it will slide around and be a pain in the neck. And this is precisely why I did my eyes first. And again, since this is smoky liner, you can be a little bit messy. So how was your guys' Thanksgiving? What'd you guys do? Did you get anything on Black Friday? I shopped a bit. We didn't get much. I wanted to buy everything, but I tried to refrain. Is there anything that you guys were hunting for? Did you guys get like a TV or something? Or anything like that? We got a TV last year and it was really like, it was a really good deal. We got like a 65-inch TV for like, I don't know, $250, which is pretty cheap for 65-inch, like 4K or whatever. But yeah, did you guys get anything this year? Did you go out? My video, did you guys see my last video? I really liked it. It was my dolls kill video. It seemed that everybody liked that video, and maybe I should just stop doing makeup and just do all fashion, because I got a lot of views on that video for like my videos, which is kind of impressive. So if there's any other brands that you guys would want me to like do a thing for like that, just comment them down below and let me know what you guys would want to see, because I would love to do it. I mean, I spent like money in that video, like more money than I usually do on clothes, because it had been a while and it was like a one-of-a-kind thing. So I went for it, but I can't be doing that every day. So I gotta know what you guys would want to see. If you want to see something like that, then yeah, just let me know. And I'll try and do another one, because I had a lot of fun and I got a lot of nice clothes out of it. So, you know, maybe I'll do that a little bit more often. Okay, so now we have that kind of laid on there. So I'm going to go in with this little brush, and I don't know what brush this is. This is a Luxie 111 brush, and this is from like a set or whatever. And I'm going to go into turquoise just a little bit. It's just a really teeny tiny little flat circular brush. And yeah, it's called the flat angled brush. I'm just going to kind of put this right along where the liner meets the eye, and we're just going to use this shadow to smoke it out a little bit. And again, the end of it doesn't have to be so precise. So I'm just going to take this Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. So it's just kind of like a small little blender brush, and I'm just going to kind of go over the whole thing, just gently, really gently. And that's kind of it. Okay, so I went away and I cleaned up my eyes, I put some concealer on, I put on my face powder, I used the Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder, and then I put on some lashes. So that is where we're at. Nothing else happened. I'm going to do my face makeup now and talk to you guys a bit, because I want to, and then we'll finish up, well actually let's finish up my lower lash line. So I'm going to kind of finish out doing the same exact steps as I did on the top. I'm going to use this skinny little brush and put some of Sapphire underneath of my eyes. Yeah, what's been going on in my life? Well, Thanksgiving, we went to Tyler's mom's house and we had dinner there, and then this coming weekend I'm going to go see my mom, which is exciting. And we will have people over for dinner and have like pseudo Thanksgiving this coming weekend. And we're gonna shop around and do a bunch of stuff. I think, most likely. I mean, nothing super fancy, but we like to go out and shop at like Walmart and go to Target and just hang out and have fun. So we'll probably do that this weekend. By the way, I just went into turquoise on this mini brush and I'm just kind of redoing the same steps as I did on the top. Just blending this out a little bit and connecting it to the upper liner. And then I will go in with this this mini taper brush. And again, smooth all that out. So I want to put the NYX Slide On Glide On, all that jazz, in platinum. So this is just a silver. And I'm going to put this in my waterline. I think that'll be pretty, maybe. We'll see how it goes. Worst comes to worst, I'll just put black over it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this small little brush, the e.l.f. brush that I love to highlight with, and I'm going to go into Pearl and then top it off with Diamond on the inner corner and then on my brow bone. Pearl is really pretty and it's very bright, and it will just make our inner corner look a lot bigger and brighter and less closed off. See? But yeah, as you guys can see, that is like the finished makeup look, and that was super easy. So I'm just going to put mascara on really quick. I'm going to use my Starfire mascara on the top and bottom because I didn't put any on my top yet. A lot of people don't like doing this with their lashes, but I think it makes them look more cohesive because then you don't have a layer of lashes and then a layer of falsies. You have one lash line because they're kind of stuck together with the mascara. But it does make your falsies a little bit messier. But unless you're getting really expensive lashes, it's not a big deal. You can still reuse them a bunch of times. So I'm just going to contour and bronze with the Catrice Prime and Fine. This is the Ashy Radiance one. And I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. brush that I always use, and I'm just going to get this on my brush and contour a little bit. So for contour, you just want to go, like if you make a fishy face, right in where your cheekbones end, and that really will help kind of slim out your face. If you guys would want like a beginner's guide to like contouring and stuff like that, and bronzing and all of that jazz, I could totally do that. That would be pretty cool, I think, if you guys would want to see that. I'm not sure if you'd be interested in that though. So if you want to see that, comment down below. Your face brush and your powder, even if you are dry, you can do this. And you're going to get like an excess of powder. You can see how much is on there. And you are just going to carve out not do that. And you're just going to let that sit, and that is how you will kind of clean up any crazy looking contour that you have or extra bronzer, because bringing that down makes your cheeks look like they're not chiseled. And so this kind of helps bake it out and clear it out and make it look a lot cleaner and sharper. And then you can easily go back over top with a little bit of your bronzer so that you don't have such a harsh line. But for now, that's that. So I'm just going to go in with a big fluffy brush. This doesn't have anything on it, and I'm just going to wipe away underneath of my eyes any excess powder that may be there, because I do not want it. And so this one is -0. So I'm just going to take it on my duo fiber brush. You can put this directly onto your face and then blend it out. I don't typically do that, but I have done it before and it does work, and it doesn't separate your powder underneath, which I really appreciate. So I'm just going to kind of brush this on to my cheeks, just like I would a normal blush, and just kind of go for my apples and kind of send it back. And then we'll add a little bit to our forehead. You don't have to do that, but I think that it helps bring everything together because this isn't like a super pinky tone blush. You can kind of get away with it looking like a bronzer. And then just bring it down, because why not? You might as well while you're doing it. Bam! The highlight, you can do the same thing. You can put it on your fingers, you can do whatever. I'm going to put it onto my brush. This is my go-to highlighter brush, the Luxie 660. You guys know that I love this. And I'm just going to do the same exact thing, just kind of brush it on there. And then I will highlight with it. And this is like, imagine Flexitarian, if you guys have used their Super Shock highlighter. Imagine that in a stick form. This is almost that because it is so intense and stunning. It has that hard silver pull, but it's like pretty. And, you know, just highlight my entire body. I may add a little bit of that, what is it called? Diamond. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for sure. So you could use your finger if you want because this is a Super Shock formula, but I want to use this little e.l.f. brush, which used to be my go-to highlighting brush, but I do love it just for more precise highlighting. So I'm going to go into Diamond up here with this. And like I said, this is a Super Shock formula, and I'm just going to put this right at the top of my cheekbone to really just like, so right here. And this formula does have glitters in it, which, so if that bothers you, I would not do that, but I really like it. It doesn't bother me at all. And I just think that that bluish pull that it has really pulls in. Like, oh my god, it's just so pretty. I'm using my new favorite brow product, the Catrice, what is this, eyebrow filler. I forgot that I didn't put any lipstick on, so I'm gonna do that. And I think I want to go for more of like a warm-ish tone, but still kind of a nude. So I'm down between Riot from Lime Crime and Echo Park. I think I want to go Riot, and maybe I'll put Echo Park. So this is Riot Velvetine from Lime Crime. This is like one of my all-time favorite lips. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any suggestions for me. I would love to do other videos that you guys want to see. If you want to see more fashion, let me know where you'd want to see it from. Anything like that. And if you guys want to see a holiday makeup look, whatever you guys want to see, let me know. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.